Okay, everybody, quick tip, realtor tip. You're thinking about moving, thinking about listing your house for sale, and you have all these smart home devices. You may have a smart door lock. You may have a doorbell camera. I even got cameras over here on my house. Bing. So what do you do if you're thinking about moving and you have all these devices and you have to think about should you keep them? Should you trade them? Should they stay with the house? What should you do? Well, let me tell you the simplest thing to do. First, set everything up on an email account that stays with the house. When you first buy stuff, you do your address at gmail.com or your address plus your last name at gmail.com, whatever. Set up something nondescript so that everything that is attached to your house stays with your house. Set up those accounts. And when you go to closing, all you have to do is give the new people the password and the email address for the account, and you're off of it. All of a sudden, all that stuff stays. Now, seriously, a lot of people want to take the doorbell with them right there. Last week, I recorded a video where the guy wanted to keep a Ring doorbell on a $1.2 million house. He said that everything else in the house would stay except for the Ring doorbell had to go with him. It's a $200 device, maybe less than that at this point. But the reality is that device by itself is outdated. And it only maybe in the Texas heat has a year or two left. So he's going to take it off the house and move it to another house. Just go buy a new one when you get to the new house. Chances are the house you're going to has a new one anyway. And if it doesn't, you're going to want a new one because that one you're taking off the house is going to break sooner or later. So you might as well just go upgrade. You're going to install one anyway. Just install a new one. So anyway, that's my quick tip. All your devices at your house on a special email account so you don't have to take them off your personal when you're done. Have a good day.